Hi, my name is Teacher Paula and this is Year 2C. For this year's assembly, the students were excited to present something about animals. Guided by ELA and science curriculum, this subject is nothing but fun. Joining their unstoppable curiosity and exciting learning environment, we created a game show that will express all the fun and children's thirst for Animal Kingdom facts. Every detail was considered in order to show how enjoyable learning can be, and laughing will make everything more special. We hope you have a great time.
Welcome to Year 2C Presents, the Animal Show. Let's know our participants. Enzo, Eliane, Helena, Flávia, Daniel, and Felipe. The first game is Guess the Animal. And who is going to play with us is Flávia and Enzo. Enzo, pick a letter. R. We have R. Great, Flávia. It's your turn.
We'll make you smart from breakfast time until the end of the day. Hi Arthur, I have here something that you saved your life. The lucky charms not gonna be more lucky charm. Gonna be smart bites.
You're gonna know all the answers of your test.
Really? And which color is gonna be?
White and blue.
I'm painting
Why? Why are you painting that?
because we too good.
Welcome to Year 2C Presents, the Animal Show. Let's know our participants. Enzo, Eliane, Helena, Flávia, Daniel, and Felipe. The first game is Guess the Animal. Please welcome Flávia and Enzo. Enzo, pick a letter.
Let's see. And for letter can't be letter J.
Sorry, Enzo, we don't have J. Flávia, pick a letter.
This is difficult. Does it have letter B?
We have B. Good job, Flávia. Enzo, pick a letter.
I think it has letter R.
We have R. Great. Flávia, it's your turn. This animal has letter W. Oops, we don't have any W, Flávia. Enzo, now it's you.
I know the word is bird.
That's it, Enzo. Congratulations. You got it. Thank you, Flávia, for the participation. Now Mafé has something important to tell us. Hello, Mafé.
Hello Arthur, I am here to show an incredible product. Call it Smart Bites. This amazing cereal will make you smart from the breakfast time until the end of the day. Forget about studying during the weekend. You can find Smart Bites on the Maple Bear School for only $15. Get yours now.
Thank you, Mafé, for this delicious news. But it's time for the next game. Draw. Well, please welcome Eliane and Helena. Can you explain how to play this game?
I am going to draw and Helena needs to guess it.
All right, good luck. Starting now.
Moose, bear, crocodile, butterfly. Come on, Helena, it is a bug. Caterpillar. Yay! that will save your life. You just have to wear the Google goggles and all the answers of your test will appear in front of you. Can't believe it? Call Maple Bear School and order yours. Only $99. Back to you, Arthur.
Thank you for this great ice news. And now it's time for our last game, trivia. Welcome the incredible Daniel and the smart Felipe. Daniel, can you explain how to play this game?
Sure, we need to answer correctly all the questions.
Oh,
That's it, I know everything about animals. Bring it up.
Daniel, what's the name of the baby dog?
Puppy.
Correct. Felipe, what's the plural of mouse?
Mice.
Great. Daniel, which is the biggest animal of the planet?
The blue whale.
That's it. Now the last question. Felipe, what are antlers?
Antlers are what male moose have on their head.
Congratulations, boys.